Thanks guys. If you liked this video, give it a like, give it a heart, share this video out if you know somebody who loves organic marketing and marketing in general and who might want to join the new video group. So appreciative for you and everybody who watches these videos. It really means a lot to me. For those who are inside of the group, Red Hot Marketing is the new name, and we're gonna be coming out with a new treasure hunt. Only we're gonna be using videos like this for the onboarding process. So expect that and much more in the coming weeks, okay? I'm Ben Perry. Thank you. I'll see you next time.